Hey, what's up, people? Floats here. So I was at my local convenience store, and I'm always looking for stuff that I've never had before. So I don't know if you can see this color. This is brown. This is actually Sprite with tea. And since I had kidney issues, clear soda is my go-to. I really don't drink tea anymore because of the sediment in there. But for a lot of years, I drank a lot of iced tea, especially in the summertime. So we're gonna give this Sprite with tea a go and see what we think. Wait. That's a familiar smell. It smells like an Arnold Palmer iced tea. I get another hit of that. Carbonation's 100% there. You can kind of taste the lemon a little bit, and the tea comes through. It's kind of like Sprite with a hint of iced tea. So, I mean, if you like Sprite and you like tea, I think you'll like this. Maybe give it a shot. I mean, I won't drink a lot of it because it has the coloring in it for the tea. But I would say, being a fan of both Sprite and tea, I'm giving this a strong 8-1. If you wanted to get crazy and throw some vodka in there,